Hi everyone, welcome back to our personal portfolio web application built with Laravel. The starting point of our video is the result of our previous video. If you haven't seen that, I will link that in the description down below. On the end of this video, we'll be able to create a testimonial model, setting database with testimonials, and fetch all testimonials from database to our testimonial listing page. So let's get started. The first thing I want to do is to make this link workable. When we click on this link or visit /admin/testimonials, we need to take the user to the testimonial page. As you can see, we are redirected to the not found page here because we haven't created it for the moment. So recreate it. So the first thing, we need to go on root in web.php file. Add the root, which will handle get a request to /admin/testimonials. And go to our testimonial controller in index function. All right. The name of this root, it is admin.testimonials.index. We haven't created this testimonial controller, so let's create it by going in VS Code terminal and run php artisan make controller. Add the name of our controller, testimonial controller, located in our admin folder. Alright, we finished to create our controller. Now let's go back in our web.php file, import this testimonial controller. Alright, now we are going to create this index function in our testimonial controller. So let's go in testimonial controller. Over here, create a function called index, which will return the index view located in our admin testimonials directory. So we haven't created this index view, so let's create it by going on our resources, on views, on admin. Over here, create a folder called testimonials. Within, create a file called index.blade.php. Here we are going to extend our layout.admin.base and add our session content. Within, add a title, hello. Now when we visit our /admin/testimonials path, as you can see, we are in our testimonial index page. Now what we are going to do is to add the design template. I have already created the design template, so let's go in our public folder on templates, on backend, in this testimonial.html. Copy this and go back in our testimonial index.blade.php file, paste it over here. All right, now when we visit our testimonial page, you see our design, which is better. All right, we finished to add our design template. Now we are going to walk around to create a model. So let's go back in our VS Code terminal. Over here, run php artisan make model, add the name of our model, which is testimonial, with -m for migration. We finished to create our model and the migration, so let's go in our migration. Over here, add some columns. Table string name, which will be nullable. Table string function, which will be nullable also. Table text taxonomy, which will be nullable. table string rating, which will be needable, table string image, which will be also needable. We finished to add our columns. Let's run our migration by going in our terminal, run php artisan migrate. We finished to add our migration. Let's look at that appear in our database. So let's go in database. In database.sqlite under testimonial, as you can see, our columns is here. Now we are going to walk around on seeding this testimonial table. So we'll go in our VS Code terminal and run php artisan make seeder, add our seeder name, which is testimonial seeder. All right, we finished to create our seeder. Let's go in our testimonial seeder over here. We are going to add over here db table testimonials, insert our first testimonial. The name will be, for example, J Smith. The function will be customer. Let's add the testimony. Add the rating. And then add the image. Don't forget to import this db from facade. All right. Now we are going to update our database seeder. Let's add over here testimonial seeder. All right. Now we are going to run in our VS Code terminal php artisan db seed and add our testimonial seeder. All right. We finish to add our test user. Let's check it out in our database.sqlite under testimonials. As you can see, our seed is over here. Now we are going to fetch this testimonial and show it in our testimonial listing page. All right, let's do that by first going in our testimonial controller. Over here, add a variable testimonials, which will get all our testimonial ordered by ID, desk, and don't forget to import this testimonial from model, and then passing our testimonial to our view with compact. All right. Now let's go back in our index.blade.php. Over here, add a loop for each, which will get testimonials as testimonial. Move this table into our loop. And over here, add a condition if testimonial image is exist. Show the image from our images folder. Otherwise, show the image from our template. Here it will be testimonial name. Over here, testimonial function. Here, testimonial taxonomy. Over here, testimonial rating. All right. Now when we visit our testimonial listing page, as you can see, our testimonial is over here. So let's stay here for the moment. In upcoming video, we are going to see how to create a new testimonial. If you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in comment box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.